Meaning of imitate.
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 Imitate. Imitate means to copy or mimic the actions, behavior, appearance, or sound of another person, animal, or object. When someone imitates, they attempt to replicate the original as closely as possible. The result of imitation can vary widely, from a flattering impression that captures the essence of the original, to an unconvincing parody that exaggerates or distorts its subject. Imitation is often used in learning and teaching, as it can help people to develop new skills or understand concepts by observing the behavior of experts and replicating their actions.